guys, it's Jennifer. Welcome back to Busy Being Jen. I'm here today to do a review for you of what I got in my summer FabFitFun box. And I actually got this time, well, you get 6 things in each box, and then you can purchase additional things at a deep discount. And so I got one additional thing that I will tell you about. So in case you're not familiar, FabFitFun is a seasonal box. It comes out 4 times a year. If you pay for the year up front, you get a pretty good discount on each box throughout the year. And you also get to select all of the things that you want. If you are paying box by box, the price is a little higher, and also there are only like a few things you can make choices on. Everything else is kind of random. So, well, not random, but a surprise to you. So I have a discount code. If you decide to sign up, I will put that and the pricing information in the description box, as well as any information about any free starter boxes that I might have. And if you do decide that you want to get a starter box, that is something where they give you half the number of items and then you only pay shipping, just so you can get an idea of what it's like to have FabFitFun. So, okay, so let me go ahead and show you the things that I got. So I'll start with the things that I'm wearing. So first of all, I got this ring. I love it. I wear it every day. And what I love about this is that it's a one size fits all. It doesn't completely close. And I have big bones. I have big hands. I have big wrists. And so I have to, my ring size is larger than most women's ring size. And so this was really nice because it's adjustable and I could just fit it to be the perfect size. I wear it on my middle finger. I absolutely love this ring and have been wearing it every single day. The other thing that I'm currently wearing that I got is a bracelet, which also is adjustable for the size of your wrist. And so if you have a smaller wrist or a larger wrist, you can adjust it so that it works for you. And it's just very pretty. And yeah, I'm super happy I chose that. So now let me get to a few other items. This one I got is by Linhart, and it is actually like a whitening gel. And it's the kind of thing where you put toothpaste on your toothbrush and then put a little squirt of this on there and brush your teeth. And man, I was noticing that I was getting like a little bit of yellow at the base of each of my lower teeth. And when I used this the first time, I noticed that it was less yellow. And since I've been using it the last few weeks, it is definitely whitening up my teeth. So I'm super excited about that. Another thing that I got, the jury's still out on this one. This is a cleansing balm by Glow Recipe, and it feels really good going on, and it's very thick and creamy. But as far as being just a cleanser, like the first time, of course, you would use it to remove your makeup, but it seems like you're supposed to possibly use it again to wash your face, and it doesn't seem like it gets everything off. So maybe I have misunderstood how this is supposed to be used. But what I have been doing is I use this to remove my makeup, and then I use another cleanser to actually wash my face when I'm finished. My dog is coming to visit. Should I introduce her to you? I know some of you know her and haven't seen her for a while. This is Monica. Hi, what are you doing? Yeah. Okay, so the cleansing balm, it's great for taking off makeup. It is nice and feels very nice and moisturizing and creamy, but it needs another kind of cleanser to actually wash your face, I think. And one other thing I got is a candle. This is a soy wax candle. It's called Lemongrass Breeze. It's by Homesick, or is that what? Yeah, I guess it's called Homesick. Let me put on my glasses here just to see. Yes, so it's by Homesick. It does it say what the scents are that were mixed in it? Because I remember when I read about it on the website, I was drawn to the description because I'm not a big fan of lemongrass fragrance on its own. Yeah, but I think it had some other warm scents that were mixed into it. The thing that is disappointing about this, I mean, it's a really nice jar. It is it's a soy candle. It seems to burn nicely, but I don't smell the scent. Like when I do this, I definitely smell it. But when I am burning it, and my mom got the same one, and she said the same thing, like you don't smell anything. If I put my nose right over the candle, I sort of get a whiff of maybe a little bit of it mixed with a little bit of smoke from the candle burning. But it is not the kind of candle that gives a really good scent to the room. Okay. The next thing is one that I don't have to show you right now. It's downstairs, and that is a dress. It's kind of a summer sundress sort of a thing. I'll pop in a picture for you. It is gauzy and lightweight, but not see-through. I will never wear the dress in the way that it's shown in this picture because I don't like to show my bare arms. So you can, like, this will look perfectly fine with a t-shirt underneath. I love that it has the tie in the back. It's a long dress. And I just think that it could be dressed up or worn just on a casual Saturday or whatever. But I'm super excited to have that. Feels like it's high quality. I've not worn it yet in Flagstaff, Arizona, in the mountains where I live. It's still been pretty cool. This is the first week that it's been warmer, but it stays chilly a long time here, so I haven't worn it yet. So, okay, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are the 6 items that I chose. And then the additional thing that I got was this platter. I just think that it looks kind of whimsical, and I have already used it. I used it on Mother's Day when we had my mom over for brunch, and I served some stuff on this. So really excited that I have this as well. So anyway, that is it. I was really happy with all of my things. Like I said, the jury's out on this one, the cleansing balm, but I think I'll use it. I just don't know that I would stay with it. But otherwise, everything else was great. If you're interested in FabFitFun, check out the stuff in the description box below. As always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I hope you'll subscribe, and I hope I'll see you again on Busy Being Jen. Thanks so much, guys. Bye-bye.